Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Cosmic Closet Quickie. It's the Fermi Paradox today. I have Jacob.
Hello there.
And I have Connor.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, this is the second Cosmic Closet Quickie. Jacob, why don't you tell us what we're talking about today? A little rundown.
So we're talking about the Fermi Paradox, which basically lays out the several possibilities of what life could be like outside of ours, and the probability of them even existing.
Exactly. I have up here right now he estimated, that there are billions, if not trillions, of civilizations in our universe that should be out there.
Should be, but the question is, where
Where are
everybody?
they?
Exactly.
Connor, have you heard about this paradox before?
Yes, it's a familiar thing.
So do you believe in it? That's the real question.
No.
What? You don't believe in
What? What do you mean? No.
it? Oh. I kind of do. What about
What
you,
about
Jacob?
don't you believe?
Yeah, what do you not believe about it?
I just think that, I don't know. I don't think we're in any position to be making claims like these. Like I'm in the Fermi Paradox, at least.
Huh.
Yeah, like the whole great filter thing, kind of.
Yeah, that's weird. Like, it sounds like a science fiction story.
Yeah,
Is this guy dead?
probably. Yeah.
Government
Yeah.
killed him.
So the great filter is like a certain point that life has to make to they have to go past this point to become a full-fledged what is it?
It's like organism. Like, you have to like become that species. Like, you have to go past it,
Right.
or you die.
So like we're intelligent life, but if it's hard to explain. It's kind of like
You're talking
some
about the
theories
types?
say there. Yeah, no. There's some types of theories where we could have already passed this great filter,
Mm-hmm.
and we just need to get better technology to move on to a different type of civilization, type 1, 2, or 3. So the great filter is like kind of a weird nebulous idea more than anything.
Yeah.
Well,
But
The
we
one
could
thing,
also be far away from the great filter, which just puts into perspective how young of a civilization we really are.
yeah,
I have the types up right now of the civilizations. And Connor, you said we aren't even to type 1 yet?
yeah. I mean, I think it says it in the article you guys read.
Yeah, type 1 civilization has the ability to use all of the energy of their planet. We haven't even reached the core of our own planet
We're
yet.
not even. The video I watched said we should reach that in the next couple hundred of years, but I don't know. Maybe, like, I don't know.
It also says here that Carl Sagan himself
Oh,
made
yeah.
a formula where we're around a type 0.7.
I want to. How did he make that formula?
Yeah,
Like,
how do you decide that
why,
formula?
That's why I'm saying this. Like, I mean, how do you even come up with something like that?
Yeah.
Like, here's how many people are in the universe. Like, okay,
Wait, but we have... Who came up with the Dyson sphere? Was his name Dyson?
Oh, there's a hyperlink on the article.
Oh,
Let's see. Yeah, Dr. Freeman J. Dyson.
oh, okay.
The dude that's making all the vacuums.
The
That's where all
hell?
that new tech's coming from.
No, but that's even like a far-reaching idea. Like that'll take. I don't know if we could ever do that.
Yeah, for years I thought the Dyson sphere was just something around the Earth, but here in the article it shows the thing being around The sun.
Yeah, no, it's the idea. Like, we're trying to get to Mars right now, and we're predicting like 2024. Imagine building something completely around the sun.
Yeah.
Even
But
if
even
we
the solar
could,
system, maybe.
the construction would take so long.
Yeah. Yeah. We have nowhere near the resources.
But Type 3 blows the other two away, accessing power comparable to that of the entire Milky Way galaxy. So does that mean that they like extract the energy from the entire galaxy?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So they'd have Dyson spheres around every fucking
Yeah,
star,
it'd be around everything.
or around the whole galaxy, maybe. Who knows?
Yeah, in this thing, it shows it around the entire galaxy.
3-meter thickness.
I feel like if
Yeah,
you could,
3 meters, what?
Wait, we would encapsulate Mercury and Venus? What the hell?
yeah,
That's insane. That's
if-
massive.
What if these are what black holes are?
oh my god, that's why the
That's
stars
why.
collapse, because they use so much energy from them.
Oh my god.
Uh-huh.
That's
They
insane.
basically kill the stars. Wow.
This is the whatever, the Great Filter.
Oh yeah. Fucking oh man.
It does say that it comes right before Type 3 civilization.
Hmm.
So,
So you're saying, making a Dyson sphere is the Great Filter?
mhm.
Hmm.
Otherwise, you die.
There's one theory that says, so there are three theories: we're rare, we're the first, or we're fucked.
Yeah.
And we're rare is the one I mentioned earlier, that we've already passed the Great Filter, and we're like just extremely rare, like compared to a cockroach.
I don't think that's right. There's no way.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know. It took millions of years for us to even become what we are. And just
Yeah.
imagine on another planet. To even reach another planet would take several years, maybe thousands, in our own to get really far away. Traveling at the speed of light, mind you. So even if we did find another planet that could have life, it has probably already lived and died, or it'll die by the time we get there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know.
and vice versa.
I'm gonna throw up some of the possibilities right now. This is 1 through 3. 1 is super intelligent life could very well have already visited Earth, but before we were here. Which the pyramids. Huh?
No.
Come
Touchy
on.
subject there.
The pyramids built by aliens. Come on.
One thing that messes with me is that
It's a strong possibility.
not just the pyramids, but like all over the earth,
Stonehenge.
ancient civilizations made similar pyramid-like structures.
They're just building.
No way, dude. That was way ahead of what they had.
But it's a pyramid. A pyramid isn't ahead of anyone. That's like making a
They're
stack of rocks.
giant slabs, though.
Yeah.
I get they had pulleys and stuff and slave labor, but it could have been simpler, you know.
Yeah.
Could have been placed or
What
built
about
for us.
Stonehenge?
I think they've already. Wait, actually, that's one thing that does mess me up. There's no forest anywhere near it.
Yeah. It's in the middle of nowhere.
Well, okay, the thing is there's no forest now. There could have been
Yeah.
at one point.
Eh.
I'm not an expert, but I wonder if they've already like tested soil and stuff and have dated.
I'm sure they would have had to have
Yeah.
double checked that. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh,
What was another one? Didn't the Mayans have some alien belief behind them? The temples and stuff.
I know for sure like they have pyramid-like structures.
they were wrong about the world ending though, so
Ah, true. But yeah, the pyramids. That is, I don't know, super intelligent life could have been here. But then the second possibility, the galaxy has been colonized, but we just live in some desolate rural area of it.
Mm.
Oh, I was talking to Jacob about this before you joined the call, Connor. What if there's like it's kind of like Star Wars. What if there's like a galactic like empire enslaving planets, and they just haven't found us yet?
It's like the
Yeah.
Combine.
Yeah,
Or-
the Combine. Yeah.
I mentioned so SETI is trying to listen for transmissions. Let me scroll up and explain what SETI is for anybody listening. So basically, SETI is search for extraterrestrial intelligence. They're an organization dedicated to listening for signals from other intelligent life. I don't think they're like government sanctioned, so if they found anything, they would immediately tell us.
Oh, that's not NASA.
Could be. No, I don't think so.
Oh,
I remember on Star Talk,
dang.
Neil Tyson was talking to someone from SETI, and that's what she said. But what I was gonna say, so we're listening for these signals, right? But
Right.
what if all the intelligent life out there doesn't send signals because they're already aware of a greater power?
They're
or
like
a
trying
greater,
to hide.
yeah, a greater race that they're hiding from. So they don't dare to send.
Like they
transmissions.
like they see us sending stuff out, and they're like, oh my god.
They're like, these guys are fucked. They're next.
There's people on Mars living underground.
Wait, okay, but I thought I saw something not too long ago, like within the last month, of how they got a signal or something.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
true.
yeah. I saw that.
Yeah, nothing really came out of that news.
Just brush it off, really.
Yeah, it's just like we got something.
Can't do anything with it.
It's like a I don't even. It's not even like a second. It's like a microsecond of a frequency.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's another thing. I think in this article actually, I don't. Okay.
He's honest.
Okay. Possibility 6 for life that's civilizations that are out there. So possibility 6. There's plenty of activity and noise out there, but our technology is too primitive, and we're listening for the wrong things.
Oh,
so-
yeah.
So Carl Sagan, he pointed out it could be that our minds work exponentially faster or slower than another form of intelligence. It could take them 12 years to say hello, and when we hear that communication, it sounds like white noise. So we could have gotten something, but they speak too fast.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
So-
I kind of like that one.
It's all of these are possible. That's why they're called possibilities.
Right.
Let me see.
I want to
I-
read possibility 7.
Oh, come on.
None of the ones that I have.
We are receiving contact from other intelligent life, but the government is hiding it.
Do you believe in
This-
that one? I kind of believe in that one.
Oh yeah,
Imagine the fear that would come out of that if we were contacting aliens.
yeah, dude. Like, I mean, it would make sense to hide it.
I'd like to believe the SETI lady on Star Talk wasn't lying.
Okay, I was gonna say that place has already been infiltrated. You know it.
What? What? Come
Just
on.
like the military.
There's no stopping that.
You guys see Trump hiss at the camera? He's a lizard person.
No, why does Trump want a space force? He knows what's coming. That
What
signal
is the
was a
Space Force
I
gonna
think
do?
it's
declaration of war.
the Space Force is more for us and like earthly matters
Nah.
to stop like orbital strikes and shit.
Yeah. Call of
It's
Duty
just-
Ghost.
Sheeple.
Like it's basically going to be a bunch of people that are already they've already been doing Space Force-esque kind of things, and they're just going to move into this new branch. That's all it really is.
Huh. Will they have guns? Like, wait, I think I'll have like laser
It would
rifles.
be like Halo. USMC.
I
Yeah.
think it's more like satellite protection and stuff.
We already have that. It's just
Yeah,
he's just
but
making
now-
a separate branch. That's what Tyson
Exactly.
said.
Now it's just a name to it.
Alright, well, here's something. Possibility 4. There are scary predator civilizations out there, and most intelligent life knows better than... Oh, wait, you already did this one.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to
Yeah,
look for.
steady satellites.
I like possibility 5 though. Kind of reminds me of the anime Gurren Lagann. Maybe an anime review someday from that.
I have it
But
up right
there's-
now. Read it for us.
There's only one instance of higher intelligent life, a super predator civilization that is far more advanced than everyone else, and it keeps it that way by exterminating any intelligent civilization once they get past a certain level, e.g., the Great Filter, possibly.
I believe this one.
Could be. So
Um,
hopefully we don't reach the Great Filter.
Yeah, I guess. I don't really. Yeah, I mean, it seems as possible as the other ones.
Seems like something humanity would do.
Yeah, I mean,
Whoa.
it's just like, it's
What
no
if humans
different than, like,
are-
a nation, like, rising up with power. You'll want to crush it.
Yeah. So there's only one instance of higher intelligent life. What if that could be us and we're just the first? And
I
that
was
would
about to
That'd
say
be
that.
very disappointing.
be disappointing to be the super predator civilization.
Yeah, like, why aren't we already
We'd be
doing all
dead.
this stuff then? We should already have the Dyson Sphere.
No, I mean we'll become it.
Oh. Yeah, that'd be cool then. I thought you meant, like, right now.
Oh no.
No, yeah. That'd be cool then. But imagine the chance of that with all the planets and all the different species on those planets. It's like
Yeah.
winning the lottery times a billion.
I kind of feel like I said it earlier. Just life on its own is like unnatural, and I think humans are just a virus, but just a bigger version of it. Like even like all life on Earth, all they do is consume and destroy.
Yeah, that's like the
Like
part of the nature.
herbivores, they'll eat all the fucking grass in the area. Wolves will eat all the deer, and like you haven't introduced an invasive species, they'll destroy the whole ecosystem.
It's nature.
Mm-hmm.
It's like okay, so like going to Mars, if you look at it from a point of us like wanting to explore and survive, then you could justify us going to Mars. It's like our human nature to want to explore.
I think it's like in our blood to not just explore but to conquer.
Yeah.
And just I think it's because we have that virus mentality deep down in us.
We're
That's kind of like the possibility number 10. It says, or maybe we're the aliens. We were planted here as an experiment or as a form of fertilizer.
God.
I've thought about that too. Actually, the fertilizer thing. I didn't know that was a possibility before I learned about this. I forget what I tweeted about it like a year or two ago. Actually.
Well,
Whoa. He's ahead.
he's ahead of his time.
Like, I forget. There's like, we use like fecal matter as a source of energy or something.
What?
Yeah, I forget.
Wait,
me look it
what?
up.
You tweeted
Say-
about us
something about
using shit for...
Shit for energy.
Let me look through my
There's no
tweets.
way, dude.
It made sense.
How's this man talking about?
What the hell? You sound insane right now.
You guys keep talking. I'm gonna.
I don't
be
even know
searching
how
it.
to get off of that.
Michio Kaku said this. Let's say we have an anthill in the middle of the forest, and right next to the anthill, they're building a 10-lane superhighway. And the question is, would the ants be able to understand what a 10-lane superhighway is? Would the ants be able to understand the technology and the intentions of the beings building the highway next to them?
No.
Oh, I agree with that. Kind of brings me back to that one thing about the guy who said that aliens have already infiltrated the military and they're
Oh yeah, dude, that shit was
extra
scary.
dimensional beings. Like, we don't understand any of that.
Well, it's like
Wait.
the last possibility.
Like,
All
we
of
can't
this could be beyond
comprehend.
us.
Yeah, we can't comprehend extra dimensions.
Wait, infiltrated what part of the military? Like, what do you mean by that?
Oh, I don't know. It was like some.
Yeah, maybe you watch our conspiracy episode. Shout out.
Yeah.
It was
I
Area
found-
51. He said that
Yeah.
they infiltrated like the high rankings of the military, like generals and shit.
I
Okay.
don't believe that.
No, it's very far fetched, but
They've infiltrated the White House. That's the highest form of the military.
It's Trump.
Yeah.
no way.
He
dude.
hissed at the camera, Blaine.
What if Trump and Musk are aliens?
Is Musk like the benefactor? Like, what is it?
They're both benevolent.
Beneficent? Benevolent. Beneficent.
Beneficent.
It's like a
Benevolent.
Cinderella movie.
Beneficent.
I found the tweet. All right.
All right, read it.
So, November 17th. November
Find this so
2017.
fast.
Life forms on Earth are all leftover biomechanical energy sources from a master race that destroyed itself.
You tweeted that?
Of course, life has. This is a thread. Life has evolved over time, but our common ancestors were the original machines. No, oh my god, no mechanism on Earth is more efficient than an organism. We're self-sustaining energy sources, and perhaps our own fecal matter is the key.
You're insane.
People commenting, "Are you okay, Jake?"
For
You
real,
feel
how many
okay?
likes did you get on it?
One on each.
Who was it, Blaine?
Oh, you actually liked my first one, you asshole.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Come on.
we got him.
I think I actually remember it. The first one. Read it again. Read the first one again.
Life forms on Earth are all leftover biomechanical energy sources from a master race that destroyed itself.
Yeah, I remember that. It's like Prometheus.
Yeah. I think we could be biomechanical because like we haven't made anything like that yet, and it could be us for all we know. Like our bones and stuff, that could all just be biomechanics.
There's
in-
robots on them.
No. And like in the eyes of another civilization, we could be just like robots to them.
Non-vertebrate.
But so like they'd just be like jelly.
They don't have backbone.
Maybe
Yeah, well-
this is something we can't comprehend.
But everything on Earth, like every living thing that isn't invertebrate, has bones.
Yeah,
Listen, I was a year younger when I tweeted that.
that's like if we go to any planet, it'd be boring if they had the same structure as us. There's no way they have to be made different. I would assume.
Well, I think like okay, if you believe in evolution, then I would say you would say we evolved
yeah,
to
yeah.
have the most.
Oh,
Yeah, so what
okay.
are they?
So I did say in my thread, of course, life has evolved over time, but our common ancestors were the actual machines being harvested. So
Yeah.
I guess that I kind of tweeted that to encompass like even worms and shit to cover my ass.
Wait, what do you mean about? What do you mean? They were used like how?
That's something we can't comprehend. I said perhaps our fecal matter is the key because
Shit.
it's like we recycle our bodies, we eat, and then we shit. And
So
then
they're
we-
collecting our shit.
What about when we die? We go back into the earth.
Listen,
We decompose.
I
How did we
didn't
come
Why
out of
know.
don't
it?
Why don't they just take our freaking sewer sewer systems?
This was millions of years ago, Connor.
Oh,
This-
that long ago?
Yeah, we're
Sounds
leftover
insane.
energy sources, and we've evolved since they've destroyed themselves.
Oh. Who- Okay, yeah, it's like Prometheus, all right.
Yeah, yeah.
I just gotta think of it like that.
Well, wow. That's a hell of a tweet.
See, I can't explain it because it's just
It's crazy.
an idea that's above me, you know.
Yeah. It's fourth dimension.
It's type 3.
Indeed.
That's the paradox.
I also had I had a fourth piece of the thread, but I don't know if I want to read it.
Read
Oh,
it.
no.
Do it.
I kept it a little open-ended. Why else would life exist? Why do we exist to die? Why do seals rape penguins?
What the f-
What?
What are you talking about?
Listen, no reason other than we are slaves to a world that has no master.
Whoa.
What? So the reason that seals rape penguins is because
It doesn't make sense. And we're just fucking machines walking around with no purpose.
But what if it's just like their animal drives?
Yeah.
What kind of animal drive would have a seal?
That's like asking why do dogs hump our legs?
Exactly. Okay, yeah.
Because
It's like an instinct,
yeah.
an innate behavior.
It's programming.
Wait, you're saying if there was an order to this world, if there was one
If there was
body,
order to
that
this world,
dogs wouldn't hump?
they wouldn't hump people.
What the fuck?
They would only hump dogs.
This isn't even us talking about Fermi anymore. This is us getting into Jacob's psyche.
You guys roasting my tweets is what this is.
No. Come on, we're not roasting, we're breaking down.
Yeah. We're just trying to get in your head.
All right.
So in
You
a
won't like what
perfect
you see.
galaxy, what would you want?
Evidently it's we're dogs.
Dogs humping only other dogs?
Yeah.
Penguins and seals staying apart?
Would you have it any other way?
I think right now it's fine.
I
It's like
guess
nature.
not. Yeah, I mean I don't it's not like dogs are raping humans.
I'll take that. I'll take that.
But the whole seals and penguins thing, like, yeah, I mean, you can't stop. It's not like, I mean, they're animals. It's like an SJW argument.
Hmm.
They're not gonna, I mean, maybe they will have, like, PTSD from it, seal PTSD.
Oh, you want to talk about instincts?
Yeah.
Here we go.
What do you want about?
Do you think homosexuality is something
Whoa! Where are we going with this?
Dogs can be gay. Riddle me that. Explain
Wait,
it.
dogs can be gay?
Animals can be gay.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
probably.
Well, how do you know they're gay?
Yeah, like how do we know? We don't communicate with them.
They fuck each other.
Well, they're just, what if they're just dumb, or I'm not saying, like, being gay is dumb, but what if they're just dumb dogs? Like, they can't tell the difference between a
Yeah,
girl.
yeah.
Nah.
They're humping our legs. What is it like? They don't care if they're humping the same sex.
All right, let's get back to the topic.
Where was?
Oh, this is crazy.
Oh, this is crazy.
We've already talked about the paradox.
No.
We can talk more about it.
We're at 29 minutes. Up to you.
Podcast.
Yeah. Any other possibilities you guys are fans of?
Simulation theory. This is all just we're just in a computer.
I don't get that one.
It's just a test. We're all linked up somewhere else. It's like a dream.
Yeah, it's like Fallout 3.
Yep. None of this is real.
I beg to differ.
Yeah, I can't really see that happening.
Okay.
Is everything? Why would it be so empty? It'd be the shittiest game. Like have they populated the whole universe, or is it just Earth that's in a simulation?
That can explain why we can't find anything. Like,
Yeah.
it's just like a skybox.
Yeah, we haven't unlocked the part of the map yet.
You know, it's DLC.
Yeah. Expanded universe.
I also think like we're too individual to like for people to care? Like, is somebody watching me personally? Like, why do I have a personality?
Probably now after that tweet. What the hell is this?
Shut up.
I don't know. It's just a theory, dude.
Like, if I were to make a sim, I would only care about like the world leaders and what the countries themselves do. Why give people quirks?
It's true.
Well, because you need that.
That what? Is at the end of your sentence?
If everyone was average, it would be boring. Everyone has to be individual,
I
so
mean,
it's exciting.
You have to have the citizens. You can't just have a sim where it's just a bunch of world leaders.
Oh, so we play Civ for hours.
Yeah, but even Civ simulates your society.
Yeah, he's right.
He has a point. It's not like anybody cares that you fucking have 45 culture per turn.
But
Actually,
we don't know that. Like,
there's some place. Think about it: culture, tourism. Think about places you'd rather go versus others.
you're already in the simulation.
Yeah, we're in Civ 8.
Do you think there are glitches in our simulation?
No, I was gonna bring that up. Like
Musk smoking weed.
That's not even a thing, dude. Everybody smokes.
yeah.
Just because you don't smoke and Musk does, you have like this.
It's a joke. I tweeted it. Go off.
Here's the thing. I mean.
He always says, here's the thing.
Glitches. I mean, I'm trying to wrap my head around it. Like, are there any like actual like recorded glitches? Like, what does that even mean?
Yeah, what do we like?
Okay, people. For example, I would say people would think Trump hissing at the camera would be a glitch.
What?
Or like Hillary Clinton when she like did all those weird things with her neck.
Yeah.
Or like, what about just like natural disasters, like 9/11?
That's not a natural disaster.
Not natural, but like national disaster. Not natural.
Oh, so it's just like added stimuli to the simulation.
Yeah, like or like something chaotic, like a
it
war
did
or
change
something.
the world.
No. I think it's okay, if we were in a simulation and we're saying it like we are simulated as well, like every single person was like individually like their own entity, then that would mean the whole world, like the society over in the Mid East or whatever, flew the terrorists that flew the planes, that would be their own decision, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what made them do that?
They hate us.
Jihad.
Yep.
How far back does the simulation go?
I don't know. I don't know too much.
Yeah, or do you think like dinosaurs were in a simulation?
Yeah,
they said
and the meteor
let's make it
came
more
and,
interesting.
ended that part.
Why throw in a meteor? Why not just like
Glitch,
press
dude.
the delete button?
Glitch in the system.
What if they did just press delete?
And they fucking coded in as a meteor.
Yeah, there we go.
If they're all powerful and can make a simulation like this, why even follow the rules of physics?
Yeah, imagine our physics is all just simulated, like
Yeah, like
massive,
gravity.
It's like an engine.
Yeah.
So it's like our own formulas and stuff. Are they all just source code?
Yep.
That we're figuring out.
Yeah, I guess.
How we see is the graphics.
Yeah, we're running on some NVIDIA for sure.
This nice texture packs.
Photorealism.
I think it's a load of shit. I think my life is too complicated for there to be a simulation behind it.
What if you're coded to say that?
Yeah.
Then I might as well.
Like Westworld.
Okay, why would they code in people killing themselves?
Just cause, dude.
Do you think people have stakes on each person and they're like, ah, damn it, my guy killed himself?
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
It's like a game show.
Yeah. Literally.
Then why
that's
keep
what it
living?
is.
If you actually believe that, why go on?
Why go on?
Because we gotta finish the game.
Well, no, I don't believe that.
You
I
die
think
in the
it's all
game, you
about
die in
random.
real life.
But do you get something when you finish, when you die for real?
Yeah,
Like-
you get out of when we die. What if heaven is just us getting a new character?
You
Just
What?
go to church then.
It's like a
This is
legacy.
what this is.
Wait, what? No, I'm saying like, what if we die? We just get reloaded as a new character selection. They make us into something else.
This is basically just a technological explanation for religion. Is what this boils down to. Now you're talking
Yes.
about reincarnation.
Yeah,
Whoa.
I'm Buddhist. I'm Hindu.
Okay, so
Yeah.
God. So
Buddhism has reincarnation as well,
Oh, it does?
I think.
Yeah.
So God just coded in a meteor and said, you know what, fuck. Yeah, I think
guess it
it's
is kind of close
a
to
load of
religion.
crap.
Wild to think about.
Pretty insane.
Well, anything else about Fermi? Kind of straight off.
Yeah. No, I got nothing.
We covered it.
Yeah,
I-
it's a giant
okay.
crock of shit.
So to conclude, what are your favorite theories, and like what do you stand by in relation to Fermi?
Like the possibilities.
Yeah.
I'm looking at them right now. I think either the first one, where super intelligent life already visited because of the pyramids, or the
Wait, is that really your explanation?
no,
the
I think
pyramids?
that could be a possibility. Are we talking about like an actual explanation, like what we think happened?
No, I think they could have visited like millions of years ago, like nothing to do with the pyramids.
Yeah, that too.
What do you think they would have done millions of... is that the whole...
Like
if they
like
killed
they're
the
like
dinosaurs?
us. They would be like us, and they just visited a barren planet, and then when they left, life started to
What if they?
exist.
What if they killed the dinosaurs?
they just went around and killed them all.
They vaporized the planet, dude.
That'd be crazy. Or like the meteor didn't even vaporize them, and we just overhype it.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
just another-
how do we... Is there a way we know that a meteor...
There's like a giant crater, isn't there?
Yeah, there's a giant crater, and also I think it's around South America. I think it's in like Nicaragua or something.
Yeah.
How
I-
big
I-
is it?
It's like the biggest we
It's
found.
huge, it's like miles.
But I mean, it's not just the meteor itself. I think it also affected like the environment.
Yeah, like shifted
Shifted the poles.
the plate, shifted the poles. No.
What if the meteor was so strong it's what broke all the plates?
Probably is.
That'd be crazy.
It'd be insane. But yeah, what about you, Connor? What's your favorite possibility? Super predator race?
Okay, are we doing like what we think actually happened,
yeah,
or
what's
like
possible?
10? I don't think any of it's right.
You think it's a whole nother plane of reality?
Yeah. Something we can't possibly comprehend.
What about you, Jacob?
I think I agree with Connor. There's probably something out there that we don't even understand. But there could also be like life that's like microbial right now.
Jeez.
Or like I said, I think we're just unique and misguided. We're
Yep.
actually a virus to be destroyed.
Oh my god. Nah, yeah, we won't have more than 5,000 years left.
Yeah.
We'll be gone.
We're gonna kill the solar system. We're not gonna stop at Mars.
Whoa.
Jesus.
We have to go to Mars.
Yeah.
Yeah, just to survive because we're fucking up Earth.
Jesus,
What if-
man.
Better end it before he snaps.
Right, dude.
I'll turn you into an energy source.
Oh,
Oh my god.
going
Alright,
wild.
let's get the outro going. It's
Alright,
getting
thanks
cool.
for joining us, everyone.
Thanks for joining us. Make sure to like and subscribe. for this cosmic quickie that was almost the length of a normal podcast.
Yeah, should we talk about New Worlds over here?
Nah.
All right, New Worlds. November.
Yeah, hit up New
9th
Worlds,
and 10th.
November 9th to 10th. New Worlds 2018.space. Best.
Let's just
What?
leave it at that. Let's
Yeah.
get going.
We're out.
Watch the
trying out.
previous episode and get the real ad, huh?
Hit the like button.
Hit the like button, share it to your mom, your grandma, your friends.
Yeah.
We will we'll catch you on the next episode. See ya.